So we see 70 Chevy Impala with the air suspension, regular 350 motor, and this car looks like this. The all custom paint around. Is the nice wheels. This car looks like this. Could you give on the gas a little bit? Okay. Could you open the doors? We will see how this car looks. Inside is full. Is a full tuning. That's mean what we see over here. Yeah, what we see over there. That's this other seat. And there. And all this, so the inside is a roof. There's the gauges. Could you turn radio on? Oh, you don't know how to do?
I don't know how to do it.
Could you open the trunk?
Sure.
That's what we see. What we see there?
That's a hydraulic pump. Each hydraulic pump is for each wheel.
So the left wheel, right?
Yes.
Back is the batteries for lifting, right?
Yes, all the batteries for lift up the car.
And we will see their power
Amplifier with speakers, crossover.
Okay. Okay. What you could tell about this car? It's good, right?
Well, it's a pretty nice car. It's, you know, it's old school car, 1970 Chevy Impala with a low rider suspension, with nice 350 motor. I mean, it's real nice, custom paint.